Good morning. Welcome at the new semester, the spring 2025. How is everybody today? Ready to start the new semester, the adventure, the calculus adventure? Okay? I see the thumbs up. That means you can see. You have a couple of ways to respond during the live sessions. You can give me thumbs up, or you can use the chat box that you can see, and you can always say good morning. You can always answer my questions. Okay, that means this is one thing that we may communicate during the live sessions. I was just but you're doing great. I see. Good morning. I see that you're using, and also the participation is quite good. That means I hope this participation will stay until the end of the semester. Okay, that means my name is Kasia Przybyla. I'm a teaching professor at Penn State University. Originally, I come from Poland. I graduate with my math degree from Polish University, and I also graduate with my engineering degree from Bristol University in England. But for the past almost 20 years, I dedicate my entire time to teach and develop the calculus courses. And this is Calculus 1, and I will try to teach you. We will try to have a fantastic experience, because almost everybody is taking calculus, and this is once per lifetime event. I hope once. Okay, that you have to remember forever. Okay, that's the short introduction of myself. I hope you did introduce yourself on Canvas as I ask you. That's me. What we will do today, I will share my screen and we will try to look at the Canvas page really quickly, and maybe we can do a little bit of math, because this week we will focus concept-wise on chapter 1, and chapter 1 is basically the review. It's the algebra, like pre-calculus, algebra and pre-calculus. Okay? That means I will not teach from the scratch. We will just review. I can just show you what kind of questions are the important questions. But starting next week, we will start calculus. We will start chapter 2, and yes, that's the important message. I will teach everything from the scratch during the live sessions. Okay? That means the live sessions will take place Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and possibly additional on Thursdays, but Tuesdays and Wednesdays, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will try to teach everything. If you always need some reference point, always get back to the videos, because each session is recorded and you can definitely find all of the answers to all of your questions. Okay, you can always refer to the videos. Also, my lecture notes are posted on Canvas. Each session will be based on the notes. And if you prefer, like maybe not the video, you prefer the notes, you can look at the notes. You can look at the notes with no solutions, or you can also check the notes with the solutions. Yeah, that means I will always repeat that the videos and the lecture notes are the key to success in this class. If you really follow all of these instructions, you will be good. I promise. It's no other way. Okay, that means I will try to share our Canvas page. I believe this is Math 140. Do you see the page? Oh, actually, now I'm sharing. That means I don't really see students. Let me see. I have my other. Okay, that means at the moment I will not see the chat box. Yeah, you can use the mic occasionally. Okay, that means let's start really quickly, because this session will be important. I hope I will say everything. Okay, that means this is the front page. Yeah, beautiful page. And I will encourage you to read everything, every single letter, every single digit. Okay, everything. We will, of course, not read together, but okay, this is myself. Oh, we don't see this picture of GSG leader, Jia Patel. I can try to fix that picture because she will help us with the review sessions also. Okay, but let's start. What we can do. Let me, that's what's, as I said, we have to go through everything what you see here. How the course is structured. Yes, weekly navigation. As I mentioned, the live sessions will take place Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and most likely the recitation on Thursdays. However, we will also have PSG sessions, review weekly sessions, which will take maybe Fridays, maybe Saturdays, maybe Sundays. We have to wait for Gia to update this, and this will be not with me, this will be with Gia. She is a GSG leader for the study session, and she will announce the day and the time. Yeah? And of course, she will provide the Zoom room. For my sessions, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, always please use this Zoom link. You're actually using because you are here. That's mean you're good. For the office hours, I just find out that the best way is to have the office hours by appointment. Yeah, please email me and I will always, we can always use the Zoom and have the office hours. I can always assist you. Okay? Always ask for the help. Don't wait, yes, until it's too late. Okay, that means sessions and office hours. Okay, weekly assignments. This is just here. I will show you the calendar, but what you can expect. Saturdays, by Saturday, midnight, you will complete your online homework assignment, which is achieved. By Sunday evening, you will complete your written homework assignment. You can find there. By Monday, which we actually kind of like wrapping up the week, you will complete your quiz and the discussion. Okay. Of course, seeing Saturday and Sunday maybe is not, doesn't sound right, but this is the online class, and I know like how everybody like is busy, has different like schedule, different like family commitments, professional commitments, other classes commitments. And I know that you appreciate Saturday and Sundays because normally these days, Saturday and Sundays, supposed to be Fridays. Okay, that means if you don't like working on Saturday or Sunday, please complete these two by Friday evening. Okay, that's up to you. Normally it will be Fridays, but because students always ask me to give a couple of days and especially the weekends. Okay, and it's only 16 weeks. It's only 16 weeks. Okay. Okay, that's the, and then we will have 2 midterms and the final. Okay, I will not click because it will take us. That's basically, that's what you have to do. Attend the session, and by Wednesday you're supposed to have all of the information, and then complete your assignments. Okay, and some important notes before I go to the modules. What is the most important part? Technical requirements. This is online class, and each student is like responsible for to have perfect internet connection, computer, maybe laptop, maybe the desktop with the camera and microphone. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, we have to have this. Because I do have sometimes occasionally message that students is telling me that they don't have computer, they don't have access. That's not an excuse. We have to, this is an online class. Yeah, that means we have to have this. If you don't have it, think maybe you can borrow, or you can maybe use some university, talk to your academic advisor, but please, we have to have computer, webcam, microphone, speakers, of course, and access to the good internet. Okay. And yes, you will see occasionally a couple of philosophical thoughts and sentences from me, but yeah, this is the one. Yeah? I really believe that consistency is the key to success. Yeah? Every day a little bit, Like it looks like nothing changed, but when the small steps are small until they are big. Okay, that means be consistent, be patient, and never give up. Okay? And mathematics is definitely a skill. Yeah? It's not like that somebody is like talented. No, it's a skill, and you have to be consistent. You have to be like not giving up. Please remember. Okay, everybody can be good in math. Okay, that's yes, some information, beautiful old main. And now you will of course hit this syllabus. If I will hit the syllabus, let me actually hit the syllabus. It will take us to syllabus. We have to read everything, but what I want to just point out, the textbook. Okay, that means the textbook is the Early Transcendental Calculus textbook by John Rogawski. And you have a couple of options to buy, but what is really important, we will need the access to the Achieve platform. Achieve platform is basically the interaction, is a textbook on the website. If you get the Achieve account, yeah, you have to purchase in the announcement, in the introduction, in the welcome announcement, you have all of the details. Also, please read carefully and follow the instructions. If you will have the access to the Achieve account, you don't really need to get a hard copy of a textbook because Achieve includes the electronic version, if that's what you like. If you really like the printed, the hard copy, you can of course get the bundle. And that means you can check all of the options. I will come back to the home page. Okay, that means that's the welcome message. Please read carefully. Okay, and you will always see the announcement Monday morning for each week. Okay, and this was just extra to remind you about the session. And I'm really happy with the attendance, really happy. I hope you can start your day with the calculus, and then you can do the rest of your stuff, what you have on your schedule. Okay, syllabus. And then you can go to modules. I just linked here, or it's actually on the left-hand side menu. And I ask you to introduce yourself in the discussion. I hope you did. Okay. Always when you asked to do something, please do it, because this is the way that I can learn my student. In online class is difficult because everybody is sitting behind the screen. I have a couple of ways to find out who you are. Of course, starting from today, not searching some old, no, past is not, we have to look forward. But everything what I'm asking you to do, please do it, okay? That means this is one of the way. Introduce yourself in the discussion. In the welcome message, I think I ask you to update the picture, the photo on Canvas. Yeah, that means it's also nice to do it. Okay, that means I will see who is doing, who is not doing. Okay, let me check. So we know the textbook, we know that we need the Achieve assignment. Achieve assignments will be the class assignments, Achieve platform, access to it. And this is actually the bottom, you probably saw in the welcome message, the bottom of the front page is this. That means this is the course ID. As soon as you purchase the Achieve access code, you have to find your classroom, and this is the code. That's the code to the classroom. Okay. What else? I know somebody is asking questions. It's okay. I think you can go to the account. Okay. You can go to your account. I will not hit this, but you can go to your account, and then you can put, why my picture is not here? Okay, because this is the student's view. Okay, I see, because you can see I have my picture and this is supposed to be here, but I hit the student's view. That's the reason. Okay, let's see. That means you will look at the announcement. What I will also recommend, I don't like, if you will go to your account, yeah, click all of the notifications, like put the notification on, then you will always get an email. Yeah, if something is happening, if something is going on Canvas, you will never miss this announcement or any other like due maybe change dates will be changed or okay. Oh, I have a question. Somebody is asking a question about the calculators. We basically don't need a calculator. Yeah, this is the class that is more concept. We still have some numbers. Yeah, it's not like a really high level math, which we only have letters and we don't even have numbers. No, we still do have numbers. We still need algebra. We still need to know the basic arithmetic, but we don't need a calculator. Calculator is even like, I would say, slowing down. Yeah, and it's not, yeah, we don't need the calculator because I don't really test the arithmetic. It is important to maybe get the final answer, but it's not a point of this class. Okay, that means you will check announcement every week. Okay, I mean, you will get the announcement. Discussions, well, I will explain. Introduction. We have 31 students. Good, 1/3. 1/3 responded. Okay, not bad for the almost the first day. Yeah, we will treat Tuesday as a first day. Okay. Yes, I will go. Yes, because I'm on my, okay, let's go to the modules. Okay, let's go to the modules and you see the modules and I will of course start like publish them. I supposed to open only week 1, but I did open all of the weeks. If you will go to each modules, they look the same. They include basically the assignments, discussions, written homework. That's the solution, but I believe is unpublished, and the weekly quiz. And this is linked to the Achieve. Discussions, Achieve, written homework, and weekly quiz. That means I just put them, but they are just placeholder. If you will go to the calendar, you also see them. Yeah, because I know that students like to use the live calendar. Okay, that means each week looks the same. Beautiful. Let's go, first of all, to getting started, and let's look the assignment calendar. This is like picture, PDF. Okay, beautiful 16 weeks. Each week is the same, almost the same, except the midterms. That means we have the beginning of the week, we have like a name, yes, name what will be covered, and number of sections, which you can also look at the textbook and possibly read from the textbook if you like reading the mathematical text. As I mentioned, week 1 is chapter 1, which we will, and it's almost everything. All of the pre-calculus, all of the algebra, which I said, we will just solve a couple of questions. Yeah? Important questions. Today, a little bit, if we have time, and definitely tomorrow. Yeah? Starting next week, I will teach and I will say every single details. And yes, we will start with limits, basic concept of calculus, chapter 2, and so on. Okay, now, one more time, how the assignments and how week looks like. You will attend the session or you will watch the session by Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and then the review session on Friday, the GSG session, and then Saturday, by Saturday, you will complete your Achieve. You need to purchase the access. We know it's online and it's separate website. By Sunday, you will submit your written homework assignment. It is due 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do have a little bit of time just in case if you are in different time zone. Yeah, maybe the West Coast, maybe the Central, depends. That means you don't, a little bit, you can still submit a little. If you submit and Canvas will tell you that it's late, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. If you can submit late, this means that I'm still allowing you to submit. If it's completely locked, that's gone. We cannot submit this. Let me check. Okay, and then I'm not seeing. And then by Monday, You will complete your quiz. Quiz is on Canvas. Yeah? It's a multiple choice. And all of the weekly quizzes, they look similar to the midterms and final. Okay, that means this type of question, similar question you can expect on midterms, on final. Of course, we have lots of, we will have a review, we will have all of the lecture notes, but weekly quizzes will give you the taste of the midterm and final. Sometimes maybe not accurately, but the grade of your weekly quiz is similar to the midterms. Not always is the correlation, but yes, usually. And then you will also complete the discussion. And discussion is also part of the grading. That means that's the graded assignments. Achieve, written homework, weekly quiz, and discussion. And you have the dates. I hope I didn't make any mistake. And now, week 1, 2, 3, and 4 will look the same. Yes, we will learn the routine. And then week 5, we will have a midterm week. Nothing new will be covered during the midterm week. We will review, we will still have a live sessions, which is recorded. We will review the material that was covered during the past 4 weeks, and then the test will be open Friday that week and will be locked Monday, like the weekly quizzes. You may find your day, your time to take the test. And the same, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we have a spring break. That's when we will have 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, the same idea, and the midterm too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final. Okay. Now, each weekly assignments is not proctored. However, midterm 1, 2, and final are the proctored test. Okay. And I can show you the proctoring platform. The proctoring platform is called HonorLog. And I saw also a couple of students already took the HonorLog practice quiz to check if all of the requirements that you need to have, like, are correct and if you are ready. Because please do not wait and do not take your midterm before testing everything. You don't want to take the midterm like not taking the HonorLog practice. Okay, and I think, yeah, let's actually see. I can explain. Okay, that means this is the calendar. As I said, this calendar is you can also see on Canvas, the live calendar, yeah, the online. This is just the picture, but it's also worth to maybe print it and have it. Then you will see what we need. Okay, let's go back to modules. That means that was the calendar. You can also look at a couple of notes that I prepared. HonorLog, yes, HonorLog proctoring. That means you usually have to read all of this information and you have to take the practice quiz. And I already saw a couple of students took the practice quiz. I think I have the names: Spencer, Hope, Jose, Michael, Gordon, Danielle. Thank you for taking the practice quiz, but we still need lots of students. Everybody has to take the practice quiz, okay? Remember, whatever you are asked to do, yes, we have to do it, okay? Even if you are a student or even if we are not a student, doesn't matter, we always have to do it. Okay, that's in place because this is, again, that's another way for me to check what kind of students I have this semester, okay? Okay, that means you will see everything. In order to take the midterm or final, you will still take them on Canvas, but Canvas will direct you to HonorLog. Yes, if you follow all of these instructions. That means also, please do not ask me or send me an email like asking for the access code, because I believe HonorLog is generating different access code for everybody. That means I don't even have the access code. Okay, if you asking for access code, probably you set up something, yes, incorrectly. Take the practice quiz and then you will be ready. Okay, because we don't want to add any stress to the midterms or finals. Okay, I also provide manual solutions, yeah, for all of the questions. That means if you practice from the textbook, you can always check the solutions, always. And then I have a couple of algebra review notes, if you like. yes, to refresh things. And then I have my notes, Kasia's lecture notes, and Kasia's lecture notes with solutions, with annotations, the notes that I will be using and always referring you to during this semester, during the live sessions. And that's me for each. We can see week 1. I do have, but I think we will just do this. Okay, these notes we will do during the live session. All of this you can check. Okay, and I will recommend looking at the problems. And then you will look, oh, I think I have the solutions. Oh, looks like, okay, let's look at chapter 2. Chapter 2, all of the sections, because I have to have. And then all of the sections with the solutions. I call class notes or solutions or annotations. Okay. Looks like I'm missing the solution. Maybe these are the solutions. I have to double check, but maybe I type the solutions. That means all of this is the review. Okay, and I will double check because you need to have the solutions for this also. Right? But as I said, we will focus on this. And you can see chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, 5. That's all of the sections that we have to cover. And 6. Oh, exam review notes. We don't need them at the moment, okay, because we can wait with the solutions. But yes, because I will still update them because the test will be completely new. Then I have to update the review notes that it will help you. But yeah, we will have these two. Okay, chapter 5, 6, and then let me double check. That's the notes one more time. Maybe I know what's happened. Maybe I didn't release because this is the student's view. Doesn't look right that you don't see the solutions. Okay, I will double check after the session because it looks like the entire chapter 1, the solutions are not there. It's supposed to be. Okay, but chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again, I have to look at this. That's the solutions, but we have to, yes, you don't have to check everything, of course, at the moment. Yes, let's go step by step. Okay, but that's lecture notes, and the lecture notes with the solutions are really important. This can give you, yes, a good grade in this class. Always look at the notes, always look at the questions that are posted here. Okay, and then we know the weekly folders. Yeah. I'm just placing for your convenience, the assignments. Okay, I hope we know everything. One more. Let's actually look week 1. Quizzes are the online. That means you will just open them and take it. You will select the options, hit submit. You will have the result. Written homework. Let me just see. Written homework, you have to actually solve the questions. Let's actually look at the first homework assignment. Okay. Okay, that means each written homework assignment is worth 10 points. It's 10 problems, okay, for this one. Sometimes I will post 10 problems, but please carefully read the instruction. I will only ask you to solve maybe 5 problems. Because some of the questions are maybe a little bit longer, but they are still worth to put it. Like this one looks like, because they are relatively short and it's just the review. That means it's 10 problems and you have to solve 10. Please write everything carefully. Step-by-step solution is required. And the nice, neat presentation is also important. Yeah? Because if you scan your work, because then you have to scan your work and you have to upload. Okay, you can start your assignment, meaning that you can upload the file. Please make sure that you uploading nice and readable text. Yeah? And it is preferable that you will use the handwriting. Yes, we would like you to use the handwriting. If we cannot, like me and the grader, if we cannot read the solution, we will of course subtract, you will lose the points. That means please always make sure that somebody is reading this. Yes, present nicely. This is another way that I will learn my students, how you presenting the work, how you presenting yourself, because this is one of the way that I can actually learn my students. Okay, that's the written assignment. Let's come back to modules. That's the written, due by Sundays. Solutions will be released probably Wednesdays. And then quizzes. Achieve, we know we have to go to the achieve. I will not hit, and you will have for each section, you will have a couple of questions. Yeah? For each section, you will have a couple of questions. And then I'm leaving out the last, or maybe even the first, like assignment is the discussion. Yes, you have to take part of the discussion, which is really easy, the easiest assignment. In this class, I will explain this. Let me just check. No, we will prefer, I'm just answering the question from the chat box. I will prefer that the written homework is actually like the handwritten. If you really have to type, it's okay, but it will be nice when you will use just the paper, pencil, and then you can scan it. I know that lots of cell phones, like the smartphones, are lots of application for the scanner. They scan beautifully and you can upload as a PDF. And always when you have multiple pages, create one file. Don't upload like page by page. Scan all of your pages as a one document, one PDF document, and upload it. Okay, we will learn. Okay, and then the last, which actually is the first, discussion. You have to take part of the discussions weekly, and you can see I also list 4 of them. We will have 16 of them. This is the criteria. Let's look at actually the first discussion. Okay, discussions. And what I expect. I expect you to ask a question. Yeah, that means this will be one input, one post, ask a question and answer a question. That's it. Yeah. Asking a question and answering the question. If like you see, answering a question of other students. If you see questions and you know that you don't know the answer, what you can do, you can basically find a question that you like in this particular week, and you can post the solution. You can say, oh, I just see this question, I like this question, and this is the solution. Okay. And I just type, I will not type for each week, but I just type like for this week, you can just maybe answer a couple of those questions if you like. Okay. And what is yes, we will go to the grading criteria. Yeah, we can see it's 2 points. I don't want to say only 2 points, but yeah, 2 points times 16 can change your grades. Okay, that means, for instance, what I am expecting. I'm expecting you, one of the criteria is that the post must be the mathematical post. Okay, that means you have to use always some symbols, and using symbols or typing symbols, we will use that icon. That's, let's see, for instance, find the domain, find the domain of the function. And now let's see. Yes, I will not, because I cannot type, I cannot use the keyboard. We will go to that square root of x symbol. Okay, and we can do this. And for instance, f of x equals to, and then let's say square root of fraction. And what fraction we can do? 2 over x, maybe minus 1. And I can do d, then it will be bigger. And you may also, you don't have to use the LaTeX, which actually in the getting started module, I am providing just couple of like coding, like square root, fraction, maybe integral, maybe derivatives, or you can we can see some, or you can use that library if you like. Yeah, if you hit this, you don't have to type it. but I know that students are typing really nicely. Yeah? That means also try to learn a couple of things. Yeah? And then hit done. And this is considered as a good question. Yeah? It's a good question. Yeah? It's actually a really good question. Okay, and how can I, why I don't have, how I can send, okay, maybe because I'm not a student. Oh, shall I reply? No. Oh, okay. Okay, reply. Okay, that means that it will stay. It's a test student. Okay. That means, for instance, this, and this, if you will only post something like this, you ask the question, you type the question, you will get 1 point because it's one post. Then you have to find maybe question posted or maybe question that you like, and you have to provide nice step-by-step solution. Okay? And that's it, and then you will get your points. But what is the most important part? Let me come back. You may try to answer this question, or maybe we will try to answer this question before we end this session today. That's the weekly. This is the introduction. Okay, you can introduce yourself. That's the criteria for the discussion, for the grading. Yeah, that's when you can read everything. You can read what I need, but the main important part is, yes, the purpose of posting, like, and typing something in the class discussion, like, is to share ideas, is to offer solutions for your colleagues, for your peers, for the other students. That means this, I would like to see the nice contribution. I don't wanna I wish I will not see like that you typing something 5 minutes before midnight on Monday because it's due Mondays, just because you want your points. Yeah? If you don't feel like contributing and sharing your thoughts, and you don't feel really involved, engaged, don't do it. Yeah, it's just 2 points. It's only 2 points. That means, please, this is one of the assignments that I would like to see. Yeah, the actually getting your points, earning your points is just like side effect, like an outcome. Yeah, I would like to see that you really contributing. Yes. Not like don't, if you have to ask a question, don't ask a trivial question. Yeah, like what's the derivative of x? For instance, yeah, like in week 3, because I think we will learn the derivatives in week 3. That means don't ask like, oh, what's the derivative of x cubed? No. Ask something nice. And also, if you know something, share. Yes, share, contribute. Because contributing to others, you're really helping yourself. Yes, contributing, givers. Please be a giver. If you are the giver, it will be easy. If you are not a giver, just try to be a giver. Okay, I would really like to see, and I always see a beautiful contributions. Always see a beautiful contribution. That means this is, of course, some rubric, and I want you to follow this. But first of, and I can tell you, I will see if you really contributing, or you just want the points. It can tell really easily. That means please be a giver. Don't think about yourself participating in this assignment. Think about others, okay? That will be so great to see this. Okay, that was my message, and it's almost, let me just see question. We can make up our own questions. Yes, you can. Yeah, it's actually whatever question. Yes, as I said, because students will post questions, and if you know the answer, you may answer them. That's actually the perfect scenario. But if you maybe don't feel comfortable like answering others' questions because you don't know, you can find any question. And actually, this could be even the questions from the Achieve, could be even partially the questions from the written homework, could be anything, okay? Anything. The only thing that you can't post is like the quiz and the exam questions. Yeah? But any homework assignments, any quiz, And did I say quizzes? No, even quizzes you can share some, because I don't want you to say, oh, I understand nothing, and please tell me what's the answer to question number 5. First of all, we don't know what's the question number 5. It has to be typed, because we don't want to add extra job for somebody that eventually will answer the question. Yeah, all of the questions has to be typed, even if it's from Achieve, because on Achieve, everybody has different questions. On the written homework, you can also say, oh, I'm stuck with that step. Can somebody help me? That's perfectly fine. Yes? But of course, you cannot ask for the written homework, you cannot ask completely, oh, I don't know how to solve question number 5, and somebody will provide. No. And then you will copy. Oh, no. That's not a purpose. Yeah? You can ask partially that you stuck with some steps, and students can help you. You can post the question, you can post the answers. Basically, you can share anything, but always use this wisely. Okay, and everything has to be typed. That's also the thing. Oh yes, if you find nice questions, yes, on Google, yes, on Google. I think it's plenty of questions on Canvas on this page. Okay, but if you find a nice question somewhere else, please, of course, please share, because I love to look at the discussions and see how students participate. Okay. But again, if you don't feel like posting, don't post. Just skip, and maybe you can post. I will prefer if you have a meaningful contribution, maybe half of the semester, and even if you miss a couple of points, doesn't matter. I want. If you're ready to have a meaningful contribution for every week, that will be great. Okay, that's mean I believe, let's come back to the module, homepage. I believe that's everything what I wanted to say. If you have, let me stop sharing, because then I can see everybody. And I can see somebody has a camera on. That's also nice. You don't have to have camera on, but if you have the camera on, it's always pretty. Yes. Hello. Okay, now I can quickly look at this question. I think I answer all of them. Okay, that's what we can do. We have a couple of minutes left. Tomorrow we will try to solve no more talking. Will be the review of chapter 1. We will try to solve a couple of questions from chapter 1. But now I can share my other screen. Where am I? This one. Oh, no. Or maybe, no, correct. Am I sharing? Just.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yes, okay, good. Thank you. Because you probably see me. Oh, I see more cameras on. That's nice. Because even if it's like online class, all try to be at your desk, and maybe try to be dress differently. I mean, dress the same way that you will go outside. Yes, it helps. It really helps. Because taking online class from the bed or from the car is not. Spencer, you okay? You good? Oh, that's cute. It's always you will be more productive and more successful. Okay, that means now.
What were you say? What did you say?
Oh, no. I said that you good because you were trying to sit.
Oh no, I accidentally knocked over my laptop.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's what we can do. I can show you how, because I have my other screen, and it's a touch screen, and I can write. That's what we can do. We can hopefully Look at that's how I will teach during the live sessions. This is just the week 1. I gather a couple of questions. We know chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's all of the objectives, concepts that we will cover, of course, week by week. And what we can do, I have example 1, I have example 2, example this one. That means, do you remember? I just typed this on the discussion to show you how to type, but who can tell me what is the answer to this question? This is the first question this semester. Let's see. I typed a couple of options, A, B, C, D, E. You will only have E. You will only have 5 options, but I just typed more. Who can tell me? Is everybody G? Okay, we have the first suggestion. Can somebody back up that claim? Or G, okay. I need to review, also good answer. G sounds right. Okay. 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 I need to practice. Please check all of my notes from chapter 1. If not including, oh no. Only real environment, only real numbers, no complex numbers, no imaginary numbers. No. No. Only real, yes, only real numbers. Okay, that means this is something, and I really like this question because it's so simple, but it's so powerful also. Okay, that means you can, what do you think? Is G the correct answer? Yes? I'm not sure. Oh no imaginary numbers. No imaginary numbers. Okay. Okay. That means why G? Why G? Yeah, we have to be really careful. Because we definitely know, okay, we definitely know that the quantity which is inside or under the roof, under the square root, has to be positive. Yes, that's the main principle. That means this quantity, which is called radicand, this quantity must be positive. 2 over x minus 1 has to be greater than 0, and actually could be equal to 0. Yeah, that means this is first of all. That's the, when we have fraction, we cannot accept 0 in the denominator. When we have square root or even roots, the entire quantity must be positive or equal to 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Okay, that means this is the first. We can see that's the concept. Now, it's a rational inequality. Okay, we can see because it's the ratio. Only if we have a linear inequality, like something like, let's say, x over 2. Yes, do we see the difference between this expression and this one? This one has x is taken to the power of 1. That means it's basically 1/2 x minus 1 greater than 0. No problem. We can add 1 and we can multiply by 2. That's okay. Yes, that's the solution. Let me erase. Oh, we can, that means this is the solution. But, and actually this is x, yeah? Oh, no. This is totally different question. This is totally different question that I solve here. Because what I'm saying, this is a rational inequality. A rational inequality. This one is a linear inequality. Inequality on my writing. Okay, that means I just flipped the numbers. Linear means that x is taken to the power of 1. X is taken to the power of 1. Because now it's the important message. When we have a linear rational means that the ratio is involved. I mean, this one is also the ratio, but one second. Rational inequality means that we have a ratio, and actually x is placed in the denominator because we're dividing. This one, if I would like to rewrite, I can rewrite like this. Yeah, x to the negative 1. It's not x to the power of 1. Yes, x to the negative 1. I will erase this not to confuse you, but this is linear. When x is taken to the power of 1, then we solving like this. Yeah? We moving the constant on one side, cross multiplying, that's fine. But when we have x not taken to the power of 1, rational inequality could be maybe polynomial, like higher degree, x to the power of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I actually skip a couple of questions. We will do tomorrow. Let's just finalize with this question today. Then we always keep 0 on this side. Okay? Because probably what you did at 1. No. We have to have 0. Yes, when it's different inequality than linear, because we will always get wrong. Or even if you, okay, everybody suggests G. All of the numbers from 2 to infinity. Let's pick 100. 2 over 100 minus 1. It is greater than 0? Of course it's not. It's a negative number. That means something is wrong. Yes, we cannot have big numbers because the big numbers, infinity, I will place the big number here. Fraction with a big denominator is a tiny fraction. Tiny number minus 1 is a negative, and we want positive. Okay, that's the first thing that something is wrong. Okay, that means G is not the correct answer. Okay, that's what we need. First thing, because we will have lots of inequalities, yes? Like find where the derivative or second derivative integrals are greater than 0, less than 0. That's inequalities. Okay, that's we need a common denominator. Is everybody okay with that step? Yeah, 1 I rewrite as a x over x. Okay, yes, are we good with this? Yes, okay. And then what we need, we know that 2 and 0, yes, are the zeros, because we need to note at 2 something changed and at 0 something changed. That means I will place 0 and 2. 2 we can accept. 0 is from the denominator we cannot accept. And then these two numbers, that's the roots, that's the zeros of the numerator and denominator. They will change the sign. Yes, they will change the sign. That's mean now, I see actually, okay, I see one typo. Okay, it's okay, because I just, 0 and 2, yes, that means this is the important like placed on the number line. And then what we need, we will just test. Do you remember testing? Let's take a test value, for instance 3, and a number greater than 2. When we substitute 2 minus 3 over 3, I think we will get negative number. 2 minus 3 over 3, right? It's negative number. Okay, now let's take the test value 1. 2 minus 1 over 1 is a positive number. Excellent. And you can take any number. from that intervals. And then we can take maybe -1. 2 minus -1 over -1 is also a negative number. Yeah, because it's 3 over -1. Okay, and we just need positive. Greater than 0 means positive. That means we can only accept numbers between 0 and 2. 0 is not included, and actually 2 is included. And actually, none of the options was correct. Because we need, let me just, this is typo. We supposed to include 2. 2 will give us 0. It's fine. Square root of 0 is 0. Okay, but the main important message is when it's different linear equation, no, different inequality than linear, we always keep 0. Okay, and then we're working on the right-hand side. I mean on the left-hand side. Right-hand side is 0. Please, please remember, because we cannot really add and cross multiply. Yeah, cross multiplying and multiplying by x, we don't know if x is positive or negative. Yes, multiplying by unknown, the inequality, we don't know if we're changing the direction. Yeah, that means this is the problem. You didn't change the direction. Okay, that means the answer is between 0 and 2. Yes, really good exam question. Really good question. Unless I will not make the typo, and I will not make the typo. Okay, from 0 to 2, including 2. Okay, let's finish the session, and we will carry on tomorrow. Okay, let's see, because I also have to. No crying. No crying. Just how do you say, roll your sleeve, and we will, yes, work, because I also want to check the quadratic inequality, third degree inequality. Okay, we will do it tomorrow. Okay, let's finish with this. I can finish the session because I don't want to keep you so long. And please join me tomorrow at 8. And tomorrow we will just, 60 minutes just solving the problems. Okay, you can check a couple of questions, but it will be fast tomorrow. Thank you for today. And if you have any question, please maybe email me, or you can ask me tomorrow. Yes, always, I can always be a little bit earlier before the session. Yeah, then you can maybe ask me the question. Okay, thank you very much. And please attend the live session, because attending live is a little bit different than watching later. Yeah, because you can ask question, you can answer question. Okay, explore Canvas. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.